Hello everyone, I hope you all are well. Today in this video I'm going to show you how can you install VirtualBox in your computer on Windows 11 2025. So we have to go to on Google. You can see I search VirtualBox. You can see that here is the VirtualBox official website and you can see the download option over there. Click on it and you can see there are lots of VirtualBox platform packages. I am using now Windows, that's why I will click on Windows hosts. Click on that and you can see it's already started downloading. Okay, our file is already downloaded and we have to install this software. Just click on that. Now we can see the setup is already running. We have to click on next and accept and next and yes, next and install. So guys, this already software installed successfully and I hope you like this video. If you like this video, do like, comment and subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you so much.